Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at dashboards. Now, dashboard is a new functionality available in CRM 2011, and it gives users the ability to see data across different entities in the same area of CRM. Creating a dashboard relies or depends on existing data in the system, and I'll show you exactly what I mean when we create dashboard. But basically, data is imported from other areas of CRM into the dashboard, so it relies on existing data. I'm going to be using the web version to show you how to create a dashboard. I can confirm it's exactly the same process in Outlook. So I'm in the workplace area CRM, and I've just gone ahead and clicked on dashboards, and now I'm going to go ahead and click on new. And when I click on new, the first thing the system wants to know is what template do we want to use for our dashboards. I'm going to go ahead for the moment and select 3-column overview dashboard, which gives 3 small columns at the top and 1 long column at the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and click on create. Now please bear in mind, these are simply templates. It's not written in stone that you have to use this layout. And what I mean by that as an example is if I wanted to, I could select a particular area or this box, and then I can go ahead here and just hit remove, and you'll notice the box has now disappeared. Now if I wanted to, I can actually increase the width of these 2 boxes simply by clicking on the icon and go ahead here and select increase width. So you see, it's not written in stone that you have to use the exact templates that CRM gives you. You can start off with the templates and then just go ahead and amend the dashboard as you see fit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and first of all give this dashboard a name. So I'm going to go ahead and call this My Sales Dashboard. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create our dashboard. Now, dashboards are actually very simple to create because, as I mentioned before, they rely on existing data. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select the insert chart icon. And when I click on the insert chart icon, the box will appear and the system will say, okay, what chart would you like to add to this particular dashboard? I'm actually going to say I want to add a chart from opportunities. The view I want to look at, seeing as this is my sales dashboard, I would only look at my open opportunities, and I'm going to select a chart. Now, I created a chart earlier which is a personal chart, but I can use it in this dashboard. Now, if I do use my chart in this dashboard and I share the chart with other users, then I'm actually giving them the ability to see my data. So I'm going to go ahead and just select estimated revenue versus estimated close, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and my chart has been added to the dashboard. Next we have a list. A list is exactly the same as a view, so I'm just going to go ahead and select my my insert list, and I'm going to go to opportunities again, but this time the opportunities that I want to see, maybe not my open opportunities, but open opportunities, and click OK. The dashboard does not override security permissions. So in other words, if I do not have the ability to see open opportunities, even if I select it in this dashboard, I still won't have the ability to see them once we save the dashboard. Okay. Next, we have 2 other icons. One's insert an iframe and one's insert a web resource. Inserting an iframe allows you to insert a web page into your dashboard. Inserting a web resource allows you to insert a certain area of a website into the dashboard. That's the differences between the 2. What I'm going to do is insert an iframe, which is just a normal web page. You might need some help in inserting the web resource into the dashboard, but it's just a case of taking an area of a web page and inserting it in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert an iframe, and I've just clicked on the insert iframe icon, and maybe what I'd like to do is actually insert Bing website into my dashboard. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in there http www.bing.co.uk. So I've got to go ahead and add my Bing website. Going to go ahead and click OK. And now I'm literally just going to go ahead and save and close. And if I go ahead and save and close, by default the system would automatically show my sales dashboard here. And as you can see, there is my chart, there is my opportunities, open opportunities, and there is Bing. And it will work exactly like how Bing normally works. If I type it in the search engine and hit OK, the CRM system would open up a new Internet Explorer page with the results. When you have a chart on a dashboard, as we have here, if you want to see the raw listed data for that chart, you simply click on the book icon at the top right corner of the screen here, and what the system will do, it would open up the chart side by side with the raw data, and there it is. Fantastic. So I just showed you how to create a dashboard with a few simple clicks within CRM 2011. Thank you.